What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another episode of Redo Blue. Right off the bat, I'm gonna say this episode of Redo Blue is probably gonna be the one that has been the longest. Well, that didn't really make sense. This one is the one you guys have always wanted, and I'm not gonna lie, I've always wanted it myself. So let's discuss what I'm talking about really quick. For those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. Right here is my 1999 Mustang GT. As you can see with my car, it's on airlift, and the one thing you really can't see is has a supercharger on it. So you know those two things right there make for a really nice show slash street car. The one thing this car is lacking is an exhaust. So about 3 years ago, I was actually looking for an exhaust to replace the stock one with, especially with the stock cats and the other set of like resonators on there. And some guy was actually selling a brand new Flowmaster 40 catback for like really cheap. And back then, I didn't have any money at all because for one, I was younger, and two, just didn't make any good money. So, you know, I went ahead and purchased that, and ever since, you know, it's been okay. It doesn't sound the greatest, I'll tell you that, and I'm honestly over the sound.
That's what she said.
With having the supercharger on the car now and the car actually looking pretty badass, I'm trying to have that exhaust out to, you know, wow people. So, you know, with trying to wow people, I think I might have found the solution, and it lies within inside this box. So right here, guys, I decided to pick up some Borla Stingers. No, these are not brand new, totally aware of that, but at the end of the day, I only paid $150 for a set of Borla Stingers. All my exhaust work as it is right now is welded in. I don't mess with those clamps. To me, clamps are just a nightmare, and that's one thing I am not dealing with. When you get everything welded in, you have a less chance of, you know, creating an exhaust leak and busting something up. So we're definitely gonna get those Flowmasters cut out, get the Borlas welded in, and Blue should be sounding insane. Without further ado, everyone, it is about 7:45 in the morning. My appointment's at 8 a.m. so we better get going. I'm gonna go inside right here, grab a water real quick. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the car. All right. You know, that really doesn't sound that bad. You know, I'm not gonna say I totally hated the Flowmasters. They definitely have like a unique tone. But when you get into the higher RPMs, they sound like garbage. Well, it's because they are garbage. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna start heading towards the shop. It's about a 5 to 10 minute drive, so it's not too bad at all. And actually, the last time I got the exhaust tips welded on, it was at this place too. So they do all my exhaust work.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman, but he's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots, no 30. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys, they know it. Fast money don't slow, but no one can control it. Yeah, and I got this soda. Remy boys, they know it. Fast money don't slow, but no one can control it. She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Love's the word, spins the verb. Lovers it could freak what you are. I like the way you work it. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't show, but no one can control. No, yeah. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't show, but no, they can't control.
But anyways, guys, we'll see you as soon as we arrive. So I'm pulling up to the shop now. I'm gonna head inside and I'm gonna see what's up. Cars in the bay. We're gonna start getting these installed. So the car's up in the air now. Got the new resonator, mufflers, whatever you want to call them down there. All right guys, so right now I actually ran into a huge hiccup and kind of worried me, I'm not gonna lie. So as soon as I got here, you guys saw I drove here and I made it just fine. I parked the car right here and the guy went to back it up. He backed it up into the lift and I needed to air up. So I got in the car, tried to start it, the car would not start at all. It just so happens to be that my crankshaft positioner plug-in, like the it's kind of the same plug as a coil pack. It's super loose, it has no clip on it, so it's not clipping to the crankshaft positioner sensor, and that's all it was. So that's, thank God, I was stressing mad hard right there. I actually have my grandfather on his way here now. He's gonna take me to Advanced, and I'm gonna grab another pigtail, and they're gonna go ahead and solder me that in, so that issue will be resolved. But yeah, that plug, it just pulls in and out super quick. Might be able to show you guys. So this is the plug I'm talking about. Check this out. Comes off super easy. I'm gonna try to push this in as hard as I can. That's all the way in. So that's my problem. Gotta replace this plug. So as you saw, he's starting to cut off the Flowmaster 40s. I'm not gonna get up all in his face and film right now because I'm actually waiting for my grandfather. Like I said, I'm gonna head to AutoZone and I'm gonna grab that pigtail so they can solder that on for me. And you know, from there we'll be good to go. They'll be all fixed and it's so much easier. That's really loud. I'm just glad that's all it was. It's definitely that plug. You saw how loose it was. That's ridiculous. And you gotta think from all the vibrations and movement on the road, it's definitely gonna knock it loose. So as soon as my grandfather gets here, we'll pick this right back up. Into my grandfather's truck, we are heading to AutoZone. All right, just got the AutoZone. Look who I spotted. Trisha over here. All right, got the pigtail. Let's head back to the shop. Nope, that should be good. I'll see ya. All right, looks like the Flowmasters are out. Already has the boros lined up in there. Now he's just gonna go ahead and weld them things. I am so excited these are going. So the welding is completed. He's just working on that pigtail now, and we should be able to lower this thing, start it up, and see how this sounds. All right guys, first startup, BBK Off-Road X-Pipe, Borla Stingers. Here we go. Oh shit. Oh shit is right. So guys, for those of you that don't know, many of you have heard this story before if you've been watching my videos since Mustang Week or a little bit before Mustang Week. You guys know that the Borla Stingers were the last item on the list to make it to Mustang Week with all the modifications I wanted to do. So, you know, with that I was quite excited, and you know, it was just the last modification. It was finally time to get the car ready to go. So to make a long story short, I said this when I first got to Mustang Week. I told you guys a story about how this company and the tow truck company wrecked my car. Yes, the photos were not pretty and the situation was beyond ugly. But you know, the situation in a nutshell was, obviously you saw I started the car at home. I drove to the shop, parked the car, put it on the lift, blah, 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 blah. We noticed that my crank sensor was completely destroyed, so that's why you saw in the vlog when my grandfather came and got me and went to AutoZone. I got one, went back, he wired it in correctly, and that's exactly where the oh shit statement came from. He did not wire it in correctly, and that's exactly why the car wouldn't start, which resulted in me waiting 3 hours. Call a tow truck. Well, I called the tow truck and waited 3 hours for it to get there, and that's exactly why I'm picking this video up literally about a month later. So now that you guys do know what happened, I want to say that I was compensated $1,000 for the damages, and we had a great time at Mustang Week. Anyways, to my dad's house. All right, guys, welcome back. We are now at my dad's house. Got Blue beside me. So I know this video is gonna be all over the place. We literally just jumped about a month ahead of time from the last time I filmed, so you can see the car is finally intact. The Borla Stingers are on the car. It's not gonna be that big of a surprise of the sound and exhaust notes the car's gonna make, because the past couple videos I've been making is with the Borla Stingers, but you know, you have to act surprised. You have to act like you've never heard it before, okay? Just do that for me. Yeah, I know that's gonna be pretty hard to do, but anyway, let's go ahead and get an official cold start with the car. BBK Off-Road X-Pipe, stock headers to Borla Stingers, and my God, such a huge upgrade. Here you go. So, as you guys can hear, much deeper, sounds 100 times better. And not to mention, guys, I think the Vortec has actually gotten louder too since it's worn in some more. But man, she definitely sounds so much better and looks incredible. I'm so happy with this car right now. What you think, Sai? You like it?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. So now that you guys heard the cold start, official cold start, we can go ahead and cut this off. And as of right now, guys, I'm actually waiting on my friend Zach Jarvis to get here. Zach Jarvis has been on the channel before. He's the one with the 1996, I think it's the 1996, that he's actually doing the whole New Edge front end conversion swap. And it's funny I mentioned that because tomorrow we're actually dropping an update video on that. And I know many of you guys have been wanting that. It has come a long way, and there's actually a special piece on that car you're gonna absolutely love. Yeah! Orange Justice, go, go, go. Oh, kill him, kill him. Get hype, get hype. There you go. All right, guys, so there's actually been a change of plans. Unfortunately, Zach wasn't able to make it tonight, but I'm heading to Jordan's right now. Jordan's gonna help me out with it, him and Cheyenne. So I made it to the library where I'm meeting Jordan and Cheyenne, and they are right there in Cheyenne's car. Thankfully, they're here to save the day, because if it wasn't for them, this video wouldn't be possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them the camera real quick so we can get this thing finished. So we're now inside the car. It's probably gonna be really drony, but hopefully I can kill some sweet rollers for you guys. I hope you enjoy. Fucking Zach bailed on me. I'm calling you out, Zach. You fucking bailed. Let's wait for them to catch up. I'm so scared to slam gears in this. I don't want to break anything. How's it sound? Was it good? Thank you guys so much for really saving my ass.
Thank you, sir.
Zach, you're awful.
But guys, we are done with the rollers. I hope you enjoyed them. I didn't want to romp on the car as much as I did, but I kind of went overboard. The thing definitely needs to cool down. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you, Cheyenne. Literally, like I said, Zach bailed on me, guys. So I don't know. I don't even know what to do with him anymore. All right, bro. I'll see ya. Cheyenne, pound it. Hurry up. Oh, fuck. And really quick, guys, while I have the car right here idling, I want to go ahead and, you know, rev it a little bit for you. I am at a public library, so I'm not trying to wild out and have the cops called. All right, that was really awkward. Let's get out of here. I'll see you guys back at the house. All right, guys, so I made it back to the house. I'm exhausted. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope many of you guys have noticed the pattern. I'm literally trying to post every day, putting myself to the test. But anyways, guys, remember, if you enjoyed, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, any questions and concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to Crazy50. Yes, that rap is very crazy. Make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. And for those of you that want to just want to shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP Squad on all your posts. As you guys know, every time I film a video such as this one, I go to hashtag, I use it, and boom, shout out. Anyways, guys, I have to get this edited. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. I got an early morning. Gotta be up at 5. So with that, we'll see you tomorrow. But until next time, we'll see you later.
Blow up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.